How to access and use advanced features in ChatGPT Premium. Now you can definitely access and use the advanced features in ChatGPT Premium. So here you can go to chatgpt.com. The first thing that you can just try to check is your ChatGPT model that you're currently on. So always make sure you're on the latest and greatest GPT-4 which is the best for complex tasks. You can also use the normal GPT-4, which is a legacy model, or the GPT-4 which is faster for everyday tasks but might not be as accurate as the 4.0 models right here. Now after you've done this, let's say you have got some complex tasks like coding or programming. Normally you can just start a chat over here and then let's say write a code for some type of task that you want. But if you want to unlock an even advanced way of doing this, you can go to explore GPTs option. And now there are some of the models that are specifically trained for doing specific type of jobs. So let's say you want to do some Python coding right here. So I'll just search for Python, and here you can see a highly sophisticated GPT tailored for Python programmers, optimized for GPT-4 by this particular member. And you can just go to that prompt, you can start talking and then use it to your benefits. If your job is to write hundreds of essay each and every day, instead of writing in the prompt, you can search for an essay GPT model, and here you'll be different types of options there which you can choose to write whatever else it is you prefer. And there will be many type of even image generators or essay generator, coding generator, copywriting, video GPT, and whatever else. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.